What's up everyone? Shawn here in the Zuk Fitness studio. This is actually going to be a bar workout again, but before we get started, as you guys know, this is a bar I like to use a lot. This is the TRX bar. It's kind of a weighted bar. It's made for the training stuff. It's just a great bar to have, but a lot of people don't have that. And we've used PVC in the past with sand and things in it. So that's another option, really quick, easy option. If you want to just go to Home Depot, you can pretty much throw that together for a couple bucks. But we wanted to show you a couple other options just in case even that's difficult, or you're just at home now and you really want to find something you can use. We have a couple options here. This is actually a vacuum tube extension. So if this is all you got, you can actually use some wrist weights either on your wrist to make the bar workout a little bit heavier, or even strap them to the bar and give that a little bit of weight. But that's another option, just something easy everyone pretty much has around their house. And this is actually a broomstick handle. So it has like a little thing so you can screw into the bottom, but it's just a broomstick. So another easy option people have around their house usually. Something quick, cheap, and simple to use. So here's a couple things if you don't have a nice weighted bar like this, or don't want to go make one out of PVC. These are just a couple things you can throw together real quick at your house right now. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get into the workout here. So now that we cleared the extra little bars and stuff, I actually am gonna use the TRX weighted bar just because I like the weighted bar. I like having that little extra weight. If I was using one of those, I would probably throw my wrist weights on just to add that little extra strength factor into the workout. But if you're just looking for a nice cardio workout, the lightweight bars are really good as well. All right, so for this bar workout, we're actually going to do a shoulder or military press to start. And so a military press, we're actually going to start here in this position, and we're going to press up and down. So this is the press, okay? So let's go ahead and get into it. We're gonna be doing 3 sets of 10 on all these, but we're actually gonna run through more circuit style. So I'm actually gonna do 1 set, and then we're gonna do another exercise, and then we're gonna run back through all of the exercises again. All right, so here you go. Military press, we're doing first set of 10. And 10. All right. So now for our second exercise, we're gonna do what we call side dips, which are actually just, I'm actually going to, let the bar touch the ground over here. And I'm gonna use tenodesis and pretty much every muscle I have to lift up and pull over to the other side. And then up and over to the other side. And so each one of those is gonna be 1. So we're gonna do 10, so basically 5 on each side. All right, so that was 1. Let's go ahead and finish the rest of them. Down. Tenodesis, pick up. Down. Up. Down. Up. And last one over here. Down and back up. All right, so now we're back up in the middle. We're actually going to do bicep curls now. So for me, it's actually a little bit easier to do the reverse grip bicep curls, which is with your palms facing up. Your palms facing down, sorry. So I'm actually gonna do it like this, but if it's easier for you to flip your hands, it's just hard for me to get my hands on the bar upside down like this. It takes a little bit more work and effort. But if you want to do it like this, that's fine too. It's just, this is more of a standard bicep curl. I like to do the reverse ones only because it's easier for my body and my hands. But whatever you're comfortable with. So we're gonna be doing a set of 10 of these. All right, so let's go ahead and get right into that. right. And then for our next exercise, we're gonna be doing front raises, which is gonna be trying to hold the bar out and go from your lap up. And in order for me to do this, I have to lean way back into the upholstery of my chair to give me some support and stability. So if you're in a power chair, you can tilt back. If you can't lean back like I am, or maybe using a chest strap might also help to give yourself some stability, because I can't hold my arms out in front of me and support my core. So I have to lean way back so I can try to counterbalance myself. All right, so here we go, front raises. I'm gonna go way back and we're going up. And 10. So for the final exercise of this circuit, we're gonna actually do some kayaking. So for the kayaking, we're just gonna keep the same grip here, and we're basically just rowing like this. And for the kayaking, we're just gonna try to do like 10 we'll do a timed one. Let's go 30-second kayak. Ready, let's go, start. Gotta row that boat upstream. Almost there. And time. All right, great job everyone. So now we're gonna run through all 5 of those and go a little bit quicker. So now that you know all the different exercises we're doing, we're just gonna run through the whole workout if we can. All right, so let's get into our second set. And like I said, we're going right through them here now. So up into the military press. Ooh. And 10. Now we're doing the side dips. So put the bar down, up, back down, back up. And this is really working on your tenodesis and just functional kind of core arm strength. I don't know that we're specifically hitting any one group. All right, last one. Down and back up. All right, so now we're going into the curls. And for this one, I will just do my best and try to flip it. My hand, this right hand is the one I have problems. I just want to be able to show you guys both ways so you can do whatever you are comfortable with. There we go, got the hand on there. All right, so set of 10 on the curls. And 10. Now I'm gonna flip the hands again. Now we're doing front raises, so lean all the way back and up. And 10. Ooh. A quick stretch here. Ooh. All right, so now we're gonna jump right into the last one, which is the kayak. So we're going 30-second kayak, and let's go. Almost there. And time. All right, let's go. Getting right into that final set, but if you need to take a quick water break, shake your arms out, stretch or anything, go for it real quick. And then we're jumping right into the final set here. All right, so bar up, go military press. All right, now we're doing the side dip. So setting the bar down, back up. Last one, and then back. All right. So now we're going into the curls, and this time I'm going to stick with my normal grip and do the reverse grip curls. But like I said, whatever you're comfortable with, they both work pretty effectively. All right, so here we go. Set of 10. Right. Okay, so now we're doing the front raises. So we're just gonna go for the lean back, down and up. And 10. All right, so let's finish it out with some kayaking. And I say, let's just step it up. Let's go for a full minute kayak at the very end here. We're getting the burner at the end. All right, guys, everybody ready? Let's go. 1 minute kayak, we're rowing. We gotta row hard, get all the way back to shore. About halfway there. Almost there, 10 more seconds. Push it out. And time. All right. Nice job, everyone. Great workout. Great workout. I hope you guys didn't mind that little extra at the end. But sometimes I like to do that at the end. Just give myself that final burn. Really push it out, you know. So I hope you guys enjoyed the workout. You are feeling that a little bit. You got the blood flow going, and heart pumping. So if you did like the video, please go ahead and tell a friend about it. And remember to check out the Zuk Fitness library for all kinds of great workouts. And we'll see you next time at Zuk Fitness.